Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to create a Google site. And yeah, let's get into it. Google site. Sorry, my caps lock is on. So we go to Google site. You can go to any of the links here. It's basically the same. So you say try a template and then get a template. This should redirect you to the Google Sites website. And yeah, we can see the paid templates here, but we're not gonna do with paid templates, so we're gonna go and try Google site. Okay, wait up. What about the first one? Oh, never mind, it was the first one. I should have visited the first link first. So here's the thing. Here's what you can do. You can see all these templates here, right? So the best way to create a Google site would be opening up all of these templates. You can just press Ctrl in your keyboard and left click on the template and it will open up in a new tab, or you can just do right click and open in a new tab, but this control thing is way more efficient. So just press Ctrl and left click, and we're gonna open each of these templates, right? It may take some time because my internet speed is not that good apparently. The reason I'm doing this is because you see each of these template has something new in it. Maybe a button, or maybe a gallery section, maybe an about section. Something is different about each template. So what you can do is you can collect all these different things that you like and put it in a blank site, and you get your own personalized site. And then all you need to do is add your own images, right? So we're gonna create a blank site now, and let's see which ones landing page do we like the most. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. No, kinda. It's the same with this first one. Not really. No, and no. So I'll go with the first one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select this whole part. We're just gonna tap it, Control C, and we're gonna tap here and Control V here. Hopefully it will work. It doesn't work that way. Okay, so we're gonna select this. We're gonna start editing from this, and we're gonna go. I don't like this part, so we're gonna take something from the bro, this template is literally nothing. Okay, just close this one because it doesn't have anything special in it. You can see that we got some okay. We can create a FAQ section out of these. Okay, I'm gonna create a blog website, so these are gonna we already got some articles here, so we're gonna Control C and Control V that because we need a lot of articles. And there's nothing new here. Yes, there's a button here, so we're gonna add this button somewhere. Let's say here. And what else do we have here? We got nothing else here, so we're just gonna close this one. This section, we can use this as a FAQ section, so in the end of this side we're gonna add this one, and Control C and Control V this multiple times because there's gonna be a lot of FAQ. And here you can see a text box, so you can just go and click it, and from here you can drag it to the upside, and you can let's say I will add if a q, right? So we're gonna select here, you can select the text type. So if you select title, it's gonna be huge, and then you can select heading, you can select subheading, and you can select small text, right? We're gonna go deeper and deeper into it in the next parts. So we're gonna go with title here, and yeah, for now let's just keep it like this, and the articles as well. And we see nothing really valuable here. Subscribe to our mail listing at email. Yes, we can do this. This is a good thing. We can put it here. And we got nothing else really important in there. Live chat, we got a footer, but the basic footer here is better than the other ones, I guess. Yes, we got a social media link and stuff. So there's nothing really different in this template, so we're just gonna close this one. We're gonna close this one as well. What about this one? It has nothing, so we're gonna close this one. And we have, what is this? No, nothing really new here, so we're gonna close this one as well. Now here we got a full gallery template, so we can use this. If you like, you can use this one. So I'm gonna use this one, and again I'm just gonna Control C and Control V this and close it. Do we have something here? Press coverage, question link. No, not really, nothing useful, and nothing useful here as well. Something here, nope, nothing useful as well. So we collectively added a lot of things here with different templates. Now what we can do is we can edit it, right? Edit it. Let's say here I'll say new articles, right? And then this is, I'm gonna drag this, you can see this, so I can just drag it at the top, and the first section is gonna be new articles, and we're gonna drag this one as well. Here it is, and we're gonna work with all the editings later on. I'm maybe gonna release a part 2 and part 3 of the same Google site series, you know. And again, I'm not a professional, I'm learning myself as well. So here we can say photo gallery, and okay, so from here you see a paint thingy here, so you can click here and you can choose the background color of this whole section. So now it's kind of bluish. I don't like the bluish thing, so I'm just gonna turn it into white, and you can do the same for here, but this is just a spacer, so I'm just gonna delete it. You can add spacer from here. We're gonna go each and every single details in the future, you know, in part 2 and part 3. In this tutorial I'm just showing you that you can open up all the templates and, you know, choose from what you like and what you don't like, and you can put it together in one template, and then you can start editing. So it's way efficient to make a Google site that way. We can do the same for this one. You can see that we already have a kind of, you know, good structure for the site. Okay, so that's that. In the next video I'm gonna go in depth about each of these sections and each of these things that you can use in your Google site. Yeah, till then, take care.